If you look at the plot above, it does have some value, but it is incomplete. It does not have any labels, it does not have any title associated. We don't know what is the X label, what is the Y label, what is the X axis, what is the Y axis, and any other information that could be provided. Next important thing that we are going to add to our plot is text. Say we want to represent certain waves or certain graphs differently. We want to annotate certain objects in our plot. So we can use plt.text. We are making the same plot here. Okay. Creating x and y waves, a sine and cos waves. Next, we are calling the plot function. We are plotting the two different waves, giving a title plt.text. We are specifying the x and y coordinate for our text. So if you see 0.2, this denotes x-axis 0.2 and 0.1 denotes the y-axis 0.1. So from there our text would start and the string is hello. Okay, we can also make certain styling such as the font size, but we'll see that later. But first understand how to add a text here. When we call this, it simply adds a text hello to our plot at the desired location. We can add multiple text here, say plt.text. I want to add a text at say 3.1 comma 3.1 for the x, and for the y I would like to add at 0.25, and the string would be second string. See, we have added multiple strings here. So this is how our text is getting added to our plot at the desired location. This comes very helpful when you want to denote a specific section of your object, a specific section of your plot, and add more information to it. Okay. Now we shall change the font of our text that we added. In font, we shall change the font family, the color of the font, the weight associated, whether it should be bold, italic, the size of the font. We create this font dictionary wherein we have the keys as family, color, weight, size. Under plt.text, we shall pass this dictionary as font dict parameter. This font dict parameter will ensure that whatever text that we added has the desired font associated with it. As you can see, this text is now bold, has a larger size, and its color is K. K denotes the black color. Okay.